Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a digital signature certificate to a PDF. This is a great way to securely sign documents and verify everything authentically without printing. Now, let's get started. On your browser, to sign a PDF, all we need to do is open DocuSign.com. This site gives us an easy way to sign a PDF. Once you have logged in and signed into your account, all you need to do is click Start. Then, in the Envelopes section, you can sign a document. Now, just upload your PDF by locating the file. For example, here we have a PDF. Let's use this as an example. Once you have finished uploading, simply click the Sign button so we can sign the document. For example, if this is your PDF, to add a signature, just place your signature here. You can make it bigger if needed. If you want to add the date, just place the date. You can also add stamps to make it more realistic. Once you are done, just click Finish. After clicking Finish, you can send it to an email by entering the subject and the email address. Then click Send. And that's how we add a digital signature certificate to a PDF. With this method, we can sign documents professionally and keep everything secure and paperless.